So guys, this is Swadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will see how to do self join in DAX. Okay. So here you can see this is our employees table. Employee ID, employee name, salary, joining date, department, gender, and manager ID is there. So our question is, which are the employees whose salary is greater than their manager ID? Okay. So in SQL, what we do, we use self join. So we'll see in DAX how to do. So first, I'll create a calculated column. Okay. I'll put like salary equals to. Okay. Just a second. Okay. So I need to compare the salaries. Okay, right. So what we'll do, I'll take the column first. Employee salary greater than. So I need to compare this salary with another salary which belongs to the managers, right? So I'll use lookup value. Okay. So, but you know, lookup value is used to get the column from other table. Okay, but here we are having only one table. So first will be our search value. So what is our search value? Our search value is also salary. So I'll write like salary. Then the common columns. So what is our common columns? Our common columns are employee ID and manager ID. So from these employee IDs, some of them are managers, right? So our common columns will be employee ID and from the other table, manager ID. But here is no other table. Here is only one table. That's why I'm getting common columns only from this one table. Okay. So sorry. So if I use this one, and now what I'll do, I'll create a table. So I need employee ID, manager ID. We'll just from summarize. Okay. Employee ID, manager ID, and salary, and this one. Okay. So if you see, so where is the true values? So here you can see employee ID 10. Okay. And employee ID 10, salary is 1,10,000, whose manager ID is 4. So what is 4 salary? Salary is 90,000. Okay. If you come here, here you can see employee ID 26, whose salary is 1,20,000, and manager ID is 18. So 18 salary is 90,000, greater than their manager. Okay. So like this, we can calculate self join in DAX. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends, support to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.